What battle was the turning point of the American Revolutionary War? Battle of Saratoga. Which economic system emphasizes free markets and private ownership? Capitalism. Who was the Egyptian leader who nationalized the Suez Canal? Jamal Abdel Nasser. Which British colony became the first to gain independence in sub-Saharan Africa? Ghana. Who led the US during the Cuban Missile Crisis? John F. Kennedy. Which Asian empire was known for samurai and a strict feudal system? Japanese Empire. Which 19th century German philosopher co-authored the Communist Manifesto? Karl Marx. What was the name of the ship on which the Pilgrims sailed to America in 1620? Mayflower. Who was the first ruler of the Maurya Empire? Chandragupta Maurya. Which war was known as the Great War before World War II? World War I. What was the name of the secret project to develop the atomic bomb in the US? Manhattan Project. Who built a vast empire stretching from Greece to India in the 4th century BCE? Alexander the Great. Which Russian Tsar modernized and westernized Russia in the 18th century? Peter the Great. Which battle in 1066 changed the course of English history? Battle of Hastings. Which movement in Europe emphasized humanism and classical learning? Renaissance. Who was the leader of France during most of the Napoleonic Wars? Napoleon Bonaparte. Which empire was known for ziggurats and cuneiform writing? Sumerian Empire. Which ancient Greek city was known for democracy and philosophy? Athens. What was the name of the alliance between Germany, Italy, and Japan in World War II? Axis powers. What country experienced a revolution in 1917 that led to communist rule? Russia. Who was the leader of the Bolsheviks during the Russian Revolution? Vladimir Lenin. What document, signed in 1787, is the supreme law of the United States? U.S. Constitution. Who was the explorer who first circumnavigated the globe? Ferdinand Magellan. What conflict occurred from 1950 to 1953 between North and South Korea? Korean War. What city was divided during the Cold War and reunited in 1990? Berlin. Which famous wall in China is visible from space? Great Wall of China. Which American president led the Union during the Civil War? Abraham Lincoln. Who introduced apartheid policies in South Africa in 1948? National Party. What event began with a stock market crash on October 29, 1929? The Great Depression. Which empire was centered in modern-day Iran and ruled by Cyrus the Great? Persian Empire. What policy of U.S. foreign relations aimed to prevent the spread of communism? Containment. What country was created by the partition of Palestine in 1948? Israel. Which revolution in 1789 significantly changed French society and politics? French Revolution. What was the US-led military operation in Iraq in 2003 called? Operation Iraqi Freedom. What was the term for the US-Soviet competition to explore space? Space race. What invention revolutionized the way information was spread in Europe in the 15th century? Printing press. Which European country colonized much of Central and South America? Spain. Which battle in World War II was the turning point on the Eastern Front? Battle of Stalingrad. Which US president led during the majority of the Great Depression and World War II? Franklin D. Roosevelt. What was the Nazi plan to exterminate the Jews called? Final Solution. Which Roman general became dictator for life and was later assassinated? Julius Caesar. What war was fought over claims to the French throne lasting from 1337 to 1453? 100 Years' War. Who was the first emperor of the Holy Roman Empire? Charlemagne. What series of religious wars were fought between Christians and Muslims? Crusades. Which civilization used hieroglyphics for writing? Ancient Egypt. Which famous Indian leader led the Salt March against British rule? Mahatma Gandhi. Which agreement created the European Union? Maastricht Treaty. What was the name of the plague that killed a third of Europe's population in the 14th century? Black Death. Which president ended U.S. involvement in the Vietnam War? Richard Nixon. Who led the Haitian Revolution against French colonial rule? Toussaint Louverture. Which U.S. Civil War battle is considered the bloodiest single-day battle? Battle of Antietam. What civilization built a complex road network across the Andes Mountains? Inca Empire. Which ancient civilization is credited with developing the first democracy? Ancient Greece. Which battle marked the end of Napoleon's rule in France? Battle of Waterloo. Who was the US president during the Louisiana Purchase? Thomas Jefferson. What was the name of the political and economic alliance formed in Europe in 1993? European Union. Which treaty ended the Napoleonic Wars in 1815? Treaty of Paris. What was the name of the period of intellectual and artistic growth during the 14th-17th centuries? Renaissance. Which war was fought between the US and Spain in 1898? Spanish-American War. What major global event was triggered by the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand? World War I. Who led the non-aligned movement during the Cold War from India? Jawaharlal Nehru. Which document announced the 13 American colonies? Independence from Britain, Declaration of Independence. Which world leader established the People's Republic of China in 1949? Mao Zedong. What was the name of the era of renewed interest in classical art, literature, and learning? Renaissance. Who was the principal author of the US Declaration of Independence? Thomas Jefferson. What was the name of the German airship that exploded in 1937? Hindenburg. Which 18th century revolution inspired democratic ideals globally? American Revolution. What was the policy of US neutrality and later entry into World War II called? Isolationism. Which British act taxed all paper goods in the American colonies? Stamp Act. Who was the leader of the Soviet Union during World War II? Joseph Stalin. What was the primary cause of the US Civil War? Slavery. Which British explorer is known for mapping parts of Australia and New Zealand? Captain James Cook. What is the name of the Nazi policy of exterminating Jews during World War II? Holocaust. Which Indian leader advocated nonviolent resistance to British rule? Mahatma Gandhi. Which country invaded Poland in 1939, starting World War II? Germany. What agreement in 1919 imposed harsh penalties on Germany? Treaty of Versailles. Who led the Reformation in Germany? Martin Luther. Which war began in 1955 and ended in 1975 involving North and South Vietnam? Vietnam War. Which explorer was the first European to sail around the Cape of Good Hope? Bartholomew Dias. Which battle was a turning point in the Pacific during World War II? Battle of Midway. What was the main goal of the Marshall Plan? Rebuild Europe after World War II. Who was the female pharaoh of ancient Egypt? Hatshepsut. What was the Cold War conflict between the US and USSR over nuclear weapons in 1962? Cuban Missile Crisis. What was the name of the US Supreme Court decision that desegregated schools? Brown v. Board of Education. What early human ancestor was known as handyman? Homo habilis. Which city was the capital of the Byzantine Empire? Constantinople. What was the Roman code of law known as 12 Tables? What was the name of the movement that led to the breakup of the Soviet Union? Perestroika. What is the term for the journey of enslaved Africans across the Atlantic? Middle Passage. Which Russian Tsar was known as the Terrible? Ivan IV. What was the main goal of the Crusades? Capture the Holy Land. Who wrote the influential book The Prince? Niccolo Machiavelli. What was the name of the secret message intercepted by the US during World War I? Zimmerman telegram. Which English king had 6 wives? Henry VIII. What was the British policy of giving in to Hitler's demands called? Appeasement. What was the name of the US spacecraft that first landed on the moon? Apollo 11. Who became the first US president? George Washington. What revolution in 1911 led to the fall of China's last imperial dynasty? Xinhai Revolution. What was the name of the political and military alliance led by the US during the Cold War? NATO. What ideology did Benito Mussolini promote in Italy? Fascism. Which civilization developed cuneiform writing? Sumerians. What was the main cause of the Opium Wars? British trade of opium in China. Who was the ruler of France during the French Revolution? Louis XVI. Which event caused the US to enter World War II? Attack on Pearl Harbor. Who became leader of the Soviet Union after Lenin? Joseph Stalin. Which global conflict occurred between 1914 and 1918? World War I. What economic crisis struck the world in the 1930s? Great Depression. Which battle ended the Napoleonic Wars? Battle of Waterloo. Who led Cuba during the Cuban Missile Crisis? Fidel Castro. Which empire built the Hagia Sophia? Byzantine Empire. Which ancient city was buried by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius? Pompeii. Which movement emphasized reason and individualism over tradition? Enlightenment. Who was the German emperor during World War I? Kaiser Wilhelm II. What is the name of the agreement that ended slavery in the British Empire? Slavery Abolition Act of 1833. What invention by James Watt revolutionized industry? Steam engine. Which war was fought over territory and influence in the Crimea? Crimean War. Which Chinese dynasty built the Forbidden City? Ming Dynasty. What was the name of the naval battle between Greece and Persia in 480 BCE? Battle of Salamis. What was the US policy to support nations resisting Soviet influence called? Truman Doctrine. What was the name of the secret police in Nazi Germany? Gestapo. Which empire used elephants in warfare and was ruled by Chandragupta? Maurya Empire. Who was the French queen executed during the Revolution? Marie Antoinette. Who was the longest reigning monarch of the United Kingdom? Queen Elizabeth II. Who was assassinated in 1963 while visiting Dallas, Texas? John F. Kennedy. What treaty established peace between Israel and Egypt in 1979? Camp David Accords. Which Southeast Asian country was colonized by the French and later became Vietnam? Indochina. What is the term for the cultural rebirth following the Middle Ages? Renaissance. What major event divided Korea into North and South? Korean War. What was the name of the fortified wall built by the Romans in Britain? Hadrian's Wall. Which African American woman refused to give up her bus seat in Montgomery, Alabama? Rosa Parks. What empire was ruled by Suleiman the Magnificent? Ottoman Empire. Who was the first Chancellor of Unified Germany? Otto von Bismarck. What was the name of the global economic plan created at the Bretton Woods Conference? Bretton Woods System. Which battle in 1066 resulted in Norman rule over England? Battle of Hastings. What is the name of the 17th century revolution that limited the power of the English monarchy? Glorious Revolution. Who led the Indian independence movement through nonviolent civil disobedience? Mahatma Gandhi. Which treaty ended the Franco-Prussian War? Treaty of Frankfurt. What political movement in 19th century Italy aimed to unify the country? Risorgimento. Who was the leader of the Vietnamese independence movement and later the North Vietnamese government? Ho Chi Minh. Which conflict was fought between the British and the Zulu Kingdom in 1879? Anglo-Zulu War. What term refers to the mass killing of Armenians by the Ottoman Empire? Armenian genocide. Which political ideology seeks to create a classless, stateless society? Communism. Who was the first emperor of Rome? Augustus Caesar. Which Asian empire was known for its policy of sakoku and national seclusion? Tokugawa shogunate. Which US document begins with the words, "We the people"? US Constitution. What was the goal of the Congress of Vienna in 1815? Restore balance of power in Europe. Who led the nationalist forces during the Spanish Civil War? Francisco Franco. Which explorer was the first to cross the Pacific Ocean? Ferdinand Magellan. What political ideology dominated Germany under Adolf Hitler? Nazism. What was the term for British soldiers during the American Revolution? Redcoats. What rebellion in 1857 challenged British rule in India? Sepoy Mutiny. What was the name of the fortified line of defense built by France before World War II? Maginot Line. What empire was known for its pyramids, hieroglyphics, and pharaohs? Ancient Egypt. What was the name of the economic system based on colonies and trade during the 17th century? Mercantilism. What was the Cold War military alliance formed by the Soviet Union and its allies? Warsaw Pact. Who was assassinated in Sarajevo in 1914, sparking World War I? Archduke Franz Ferdinand. What was the name of the ship that carried the Pilgrims to America in 1620? Mayflower. What 19th century event in Ireland caused mass emigration and starvation? Irish potato famine. What city was the capital of the Eastern Roman Empire? Constantinople. What movement aimed to reform the Catholic Church in the 16th century? Counter-Reformation. What was the 19th century belief that the US should expand westward across the continent? Manifest Destiny. Which country used the samurai warrior class? Japan. Which 20th century conflict involved trench warfare and lasted from 1914 to 1918? World War I. Who led the Reign of Terror during the French Revolution? Maximilien Robespierre. What invention revolutionized manufacturing during the Industrial Revolution? Steam engine. Which president issued the Gettysburg Address? Abraham Lincoln. Who was the founder of the Persian Empire? Cyrus the Great. What was the name of the system of racial segregation in South Africa? Apartheid. Who led China after Mao Zedong and initiated economic reforms? Deng Xiaoping. What was the name of the military alliance formed in 1949 by Western countries? NATO. What event marked the end of the Cold War? Fall of the Berlin Wall. What was the term for Stalin's campaign to eliminate dissent within the Soviet Union? Great Purge. What country was divided at the 38th parallel after World War II? Korea. What was the first civilization to develop a written legal code? Babylon. What was the US policy to rebuild Europe after World War II? Marshall Plan. What conflict was fought over US involvement in Southeast Asia from the 1960 to 1975? Vietnam War. Who was the Roman governor who ordered Jesus' crucifixion? Pontius Pilate. What ancient city is known for its hanging gardens? Babylon. What battle in 1815 marked Napoleon's final defeat? Battle of Waterloo. Who was the Greek philosopher who taught Alexander the Great? Aristotle. What US doctrine warned European powers not to colonize in the Americas? Monroe Doctrine. Which African kingdom was known for its wealth and gold trade? Mali Empire. What was the term for the Nazi invasion of the Soviet Union in 1941? Operation Barbarossa. What is the term for the peaceful protests that led to the fall of communist regimes in Eastern Europe? Velvet Revolution. Who led the United Kingdom through most of World War II? Winston Churchill. Who was the Chinese leader during the Tiananmen Square protests? Deng Xiaoping. Which war in the 1950s involved UN forces led by the US and Chinese intervention? Korean War. What is the term for the 19th century movement to abolish slavery? Abolitionism. Who was the Emperor of France after the French Revolution? Napoleon Bonaparte. What US project built the first nuclear weapons? Manhattan Project. Who led the US through the Great Depression and most of World War II? Franklin D. Roosevelt. Which religious leader nailed 95 theses to a church door in 1517? Martin Luther. Who led the USSR during the collapse of the Soviet Union? Mikhail Gorbachev. What was the term for the forced relocation of Native Americans in the 1830s? Trail of Tears. Which Chinese dynasty followed the Mongol-led Yuan dynasty? Ming dynasty. What was the purpose of the Berlin airlift in 1948? 1949. Supply West Berlin during a Soviet blockade. Who developed the heliocentric theory of the solar system? Nicolaus Copernicus. What was the term for the post-World War II US foreign policy of aiding allies economically and militarily? Containment. What 20th century conflict was dubbed the Forgotten War? Korean War. Which peacekeeping organization was founded after World War I? League of Nations. What uprising in 1956 challenged Soviet control in Eastern Europe? Hungarian Revolution. What 1947 agreement split British India into two nations? Indian Independence Act. What was the name of the German code machine during World War II? Enigma. What 1972 event led to improved US-China relations? Nixon's visit to China. What African American movement in the 1960s demanded civil rights and empowerment? Black Power movement. What was the policy of racial separation in the American South called? Jim Crow laws. What secret US military report revealed government deception about the Vietnam War? Pentagon Papers. Which city was the site of a nuclear disaster in 1986? Chernobyl. What was the name of the operation that liberated Kuwait in 1991? Operation Desert Storm. What African nation gained independence from Belgium in 1960? Democratic Republic of the Congo. Who led the communist forces in China's civil war? Mao Zedong. What was the name of the Soviet space program's first manned spacecraft? Vostok 1. Who was the first human in space? Yuri Gagarin. What was the name of the plan to rebuild Western Europe after World War II? Marshall Plan. Who was the first African American Supreme Court justice in the US? Thurgood Marshall. Which Egyptian president signed a peace treaty with Israel in 1979? Anwar Sadat. What major world power colonized Algeria? France. What political ideology did Vladimir Lenin follow? Marxism-Leninism. Who led the Allied invasion of Normandy in 1944? Dwight D. Eisenhower. What treaty signed in 1648 ended the 30 Years' War? Treaty of Westphalia. What was the movement in 18th century Europe promoting reason and science? Enlightenment. Who was the British monarch during the American Revolution? King George III. What war pitted the Union against the Confederacy? American Civil War. What ancient city was center of Minoan civilization? Knossos. What event marked the beginning of the Protestant Reformation? Martin Luther's 95 Theses. What war was fought over control of Palestine between Jews and Arabs in 1948? Arab-Israeli War. What was the name of Germany's plan for invasion of France during World War I? Schlieffen Plan. Who led the Cuban Revolution? Fidel Castro. What was the failed invasion of Cuba by US-backed exiles in 1961? Bay of Pigs invasion. What Chinese policy caused massive famine in the late 1950s? Great Leap Forward. Who was the last Tsar of Russia? Nicholas II. What war did the US fight in the early 2000s after the 9/11 attacks? War in Afghanistan. Who discovered the law of gravity and motion? Isaac Newton. What revolution overthrew the monarchy in France in 1789? French Revolution. Which agreement limited naval armaments in the 1920s? Washington Naval Treaty. What event is known as Kristallnacht? Nazi attack on Jewish businesses and synagogues. Who was the first female leader of Pakistan? Benazir Bhutto. What secret society in China opposed foreign influence in 1900? Boxer Rebellion. What 1963 event brought Martin Luther King Jr. to Washington? March on Washington. What war took place between the US and Iraq in 2003? Iraq War. Which German city was divided after World War II and later reunited? Berlin. What African empire was led by Mansa Musa? Mali Empire. What was the US program to land a man on the moon? Apollo program. What German policy involved unrestricted submarine warfare in World War I? U-boat campaign. Who led Yugoslavia as a non-aligned communist leader? Josip Broz Tito. What was the term for US economic aid to Latin America in the 1960s? Alliance for Progress. What country was formerly known as Ceylon? Sri Lanka. Who led South Africa's transition from apartheid to democracy? Nelson Mandela. What was the name of the missile defense program proposed by Reagan? Strategic Defense Initiative, Star Wars. What uprising led to the fall of the Berlin Wall? Peaceful revolution in East Germany. What US scandal led to President Nixon's resignation? Watergate scandal. What was the name of the medieval system of landholding and loyalty? Feudalism. Who was the president of Egypt overthrown during the Arab Spring? Hosni Mubarak. What was the name of the French prison stormed on July 14, 1789? Bastille. What was the failed attempt to overthrow Hitler in 1944? July 20th plot. Which US president signed the Civil Rights Act of 1964? Lyndon B. Johnson. What 1930 economic crisis caused worldwide unemployment and poverty? Great Depression. What Middle Eastern war took place in 1967 and lasted 6 days? Six-Day War. Which military alliance dissolved in 1991 following the Cold War? Warsaw Pact. Who led the Indian National Congress during partition? Jawaharlal Nehru. What was the name of the Soviet reform policy for openness? Glasnost. Who led the Polish Solidarity movement? Lech Walesa. What empire built the Colosseum? Roman Empire. What revolution brought down the Qing dynasty in China? Xinhai Revolution. Who led the Bolsheviks in the Russian Revolution? Vladimir Lenin. What is the name of the deadly disease that struck Europe in the 14th century? Black Death. What was the name of the US economic collapse in 1929? Wall Street crash. Who was the first emperor of unified China? Qin Shi Huang. Which explorer conquered the Aztec Empire? Hernan Cortez. Which modern country was once Mesopotamia? Iraq. What was the US initiative to aid Europe after World War II? Marshall Plan. What was the war between the US and Soviet Union without direct conflict? Cold War. Which US president served 4 terms? Franklin D. Roosevelt. Who signed the Magna Carta in 1215? King John of England. Who was the Carthaginian general that crossed the Alps to attack Rome? Hannibal. What event is marked by the storming of the Bastille in 1789? Beginning of the French Revolution. Which English scientist developed the theory of evolution by natural selection? Charles Darwin. What was the name of the trade route connecting China to Europe? Silk Road. Which empire was ruled by Genghis Khan? Mongol Empire. Who was assassinated in Memphis, Tennessee in 1968? Martin Luther King Jr. What famous speech begins with 407 years ago? Gettysburg Address. What agreement between Hitler and Stalin divided Eastern Europe? Molotov-Ribbentrop Pact. What is the capital of the Byzantine Empire? Constantinople. What was the purpose of the Spanish Inquisition? To enforce Catholic orthodoxy. Who led Germany during most of World War II? Adolf Hitler. What was the US foreign policy aimed at preventing the spread of communism? Containment. Which country used kamikaze pilots during World War II? Japan. Who was the leader of the Taliban when the US invaded Afghanistan in 2001? Mullah Omar. What empire did Alexander the Great inherit from his father Philip II? Macedonian Empire. What was the title given to the rulers of ancient Egypt? Pharaoh. What was the main reason for the US Civil War? Slavery. Which 20th century war was triggered by the invasion of Kuwait? Gulf War. What revolution took place in Russia in 1917? Bolshevik Revolution. Who was the founder of the Mongol Empire? Genghis Khan. What document limited the power of the English king in 1215? Magna Carta. Which battle is considered Napoleon's final defeat? Battle of Waterloo. Who was known as the Iron Lady of British politics? Margaret Thatcher. What religious reformer began the Protestant Reformation? Martin Luther. What was the capital of the Aztec Empire? Tenochtitlan. Who invented the telescope and supported the heliocentric theory? Galileo Galilei.